I'm a man. This is my new bike. My new bike with simple style and simple A-frame. A new black and white frame with black, with black. I have a new federal fork. Sorry for my language. I'm not good at English. Dutch, sorry man. I'm from Romania. This is my new guidon handlebar. This is my new handlebar with green glasses bronze and Sputnik is the name Sputnik. Hi man. This is my new pivot strop sheet with very nice and low and black. Yeah, nigga, this is my new ASM tire. Ce domnule? Ce mă? Ce? Okay, sorry, time out. I'm on street. This is my new bike. Oh yeah, I got the title. This is my new Odyssey pedals. Pedals are very fine. This is black, not black. Black is this, man. This is blue, aqua blue. Very nice with chain. He has the chain. Yeah, Gerniațnovski, Lască ne știe. This is my new bag. Ai tăiat-o bag să dau grande faine. This is my new speakers. Speakers are very. This is my new spokes. It's very expensive. My dad don't have so much money at the fabrica to make spokes. This is my new hub. Very expensive hub. Is Atnis, black Atnis with grain. This is an axle. Very scumper axle. And meine Hubguard. Where is meine Hubguard? Nice. Finish. No, yes, I'm Englishman. What I now have back. Chapter 5. This is my new front hub. Look, oh sorry, that is the janta. That is my, look at my face, man. That is the janta. I'm Bodo. This is a very nice Joytech front hub. And these are my animal capaces. This is my, look at this, the sound of glory. You hear it? This is my new pipa. The pipa is very fine. This is a little much 6, my fellas. This is my new pipa with white and black and alb and negru. We have new shurubes. 45 shurubes. Adică fără. Okay, what I know have. Oh yeah, my trick. Get. Don't so be close. This is don't laugh. This is at my home and it's not very funny. I look at my bar spin. I'm very tired, man. Look, this is one of my 180s. I missed it. Look at this is a new bar spin with 1 foot in bar spin. Why am I so good? And now look at my style. My new guest. Yeah, man.